How to use Ulta gift card redeem. To redeem your Ulta Beauty gift card, you can use it for a merchandise and services both at physical Ulta Beauty store location and online at ulta.com as well. So what you need is, first thing first, you want to make sure to go ahead and start adding item to your bag. And as you add the item to your bag, you could simply go ahead and check it out, or check out. Once you do that, you will be taken to the payment and add info section. So during the payment field, you'll also be able to find the section where it says gift card or enter gift card section, right? So all you need to do is just go ahead and enter the gift card and you will be able to get certain amount of discount. And if you want to do it in store, then you have to present the card to a cashier at the time of purchase, show the barcode on your smartphone, or provide a printed copy of the e-gift card emailed to the cashier. And that is how you're supposed to use or redeem your Ulta Beauty gift card. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.